In the dashboard, select Production Unit. Click the sourcing icon. Swipe the menu to Nauplii. Click on the date icon to select the date. Select date in the calendar pop-up. Select the brood provider. Select the brood line. Fill in other details like source reference and batch alias name. Enter Nauplii count and score. Enter remark if necessary. Click on the Add button to finish adding Nauplii stock. Nauplii source record added successfully message is shown. Click the List button to view previous entries. Select Go Home to go back to the dashboard. On selecting the Nauplii batch, the total available Nauplii will be updated in the dashboard.